Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some yarny goodness. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel, and I'm so glad to have each and every one of you here. Well, today's video is about Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and I am also having a giveaway, hoping that maybe this will remind you guys to get out there and get your mammograms done. I was actually tagged by Sheila with the crochet nurse, and I thought that was a pretty cool thing to do a video on, because there's so many of us out here that we, tend to forget to go do our mammograms. And so I thought it was very important to bring awareness to that. And so I thought, what better way to bring awareness than to have a giveaway, because everybody's going to want to enter a giveaway and win some free yarn. And I thought, well, in order, that'll bring a lot of traffic to win the giveaway and to remind them about their mammograms. So I just thought that I would do that. I thought it'd be a kind of a cool way. Well, the crochet nurse, she also has these breast cancer ribbons. Y'all have seen them, the little pink ribbons. Well, she, go to her video. She has a little tutorial on how to make those little ribbons, and you can just pin them right here. You can take them to your job. You can set them out for people to be able to pick up. Or you could wear one around town, to remind people. And it's for men and for women. Men get it too. And we've all lost someone. We've all know someone that has survived it. And actually, I have a friend that was just diagnosed just a couple of days ago. So, it's all around. And I think it's something that we definitely need to be aware, to remind us to do our mammograms, how important they are. But the crochet nurse, if you go to her channel, I'll leave the link below. But if you go to her channel, she will be able to tell you more of the statistics and, about how important it is, and like the different stages that you could possibly be in by not checking and things like that. And I thought it was a very interesting video. And so I'll leave her link so that you can go and watch that. So in today's video for the giveaway, and this is for US only, sorry to my worldwide friends, but you guys all know the shipping and all that. But this was some pink yarn that I happen to have in my craft room here that I just went through and tried to find pink for the giveaway. And so I found this Premier Bamboo Joy, and I actually made this right here out of it. And this is a 3 lightweight. It's 50% bamboo, 50% acrylic, 328 yards, and the color is called Princess Pink. And I did use a tad bit into another one. And if you're all right with it, if you are the winner, you can let me know if you want this. But I mean, see, look at that. I mean, it's barely, I don't even know if I actually used it. I think I was going to do something, and so I pulled some yarn out, and but never actually used it. I don't remember. But whatever the case is, some yarn has been taken out. But that will be in the giveaway if you want it. And then we have 4 of these right here. Aren't they pretty? I had this, I think I bought this from Hirschner's, but it's Burnett Handicrafter cotton yarn, and it says the color is called Patio Pink. It's medium 4 weight. There's 68 yards in here. I'm assuming it's probably 100% cotton. That's what I was looking for, to see how much cotton is in it. And yeah, 100% USA cotton. So yeah, so you get 4 of these. I actually made a market bag in the turquoise ones that I had like this, and it came out beautiful. So this will be pretty in something good, washcloths and things like that. And then the other one, this was actually gifted to me, or I wanted in a giveaway. I can't remember, but I thought it was perfect for this giveaway. It's called Burnett Harmony, and it's 100% acrylic. It's 5 bulky. Ultra Pink is the name of it. And how many yards are in here? 216 yards. And it says, it actually has the breast cancer awareness symbol and stuff on it. And I thought that was really cool. So There it is. There will be 3 of these. So anyway, so that's all the giveaway is. The rules will be in the description box. I'm not going to go over all that in the video. Just look in the description box and see the rules. As far as leaving a special comment, you don't have to. So yeah, and this video will be good for 1 week, and I'll leave the date below. But today is Sunday. It will be. I'll pull a name Friday. This Friday. So if today is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So today is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It'll be on the 16th. I'll pick a winner by the random comment picker. So yeah, I just want to bring the importance of the breast cancer to you guys. So yeah, and I'll go check out the Crochet Nurse channel, and she'll tell you more about it, and she'll show you how to do the little breast cancer awareness ribbon if you're interested in wearing that. Thank you guys. I appreciate each and every one of you for watching, and I look forward to your comments. Bye.